Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 1, 2022. Hard Sudoku. A column B and second row we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Fourth row we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Third row and fourth row, column C, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Second row and fourth row, we have 8. Column H also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells. Column I, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Fourth row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fourth row and third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Eighth row, 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Seventh grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Column J also we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column C and third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column D, fifth row, we have 2, 3, 9. The 3 numbers can't come these cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in on the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row, we have pair numbers 5, 8, 1. So 5, 8, 1 can't come these cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 6th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 4. Column F, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 9th row, 7th row and 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 2, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column C, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 9, 8. 10th row, we have 3 and 9, so 3 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column F, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column J, column F, column B, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, 9th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column F, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column B, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Second row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column B, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 9th row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 9th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 5, 8. Column E, column F, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column F, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column F, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column F, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.